Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. On today's video, we'll be making grilled chicken salad, and this is video 3 of the quick meal series. And if you're new here to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the family. The subscribe button is below the description of this video, and push that bell notification while you're there so you won't miss any future uploads. Okay everyone, so since we cleaned our chicken off camera, we're going to get right into seasoning this chicken breast. I'm going to season this chicken breast with sea salt, garlic, pepper, and some smoked paprika. But you can use any seasoning you want, guys. As you know, it's all up to your own taste buds, but this is how I'm doing it if you want to follow along with this recipe. Alright, so now once you get your seasonings all on your chicken breast, guys, you want to go ahead and rub that seasoning into your meat. And we're going to repeat this step on the next side as well, because we can't have no bland chicken. So make sure you do the same steps on the other side. Alright, so once you get your seasoning all rubbed into your meat, I'm going to be using this extra virgin olive oil. And the reason behind that, guys, is because I am going to be cooking these chicken breasts on the Power XL grill. I have gotten this grill for Christmas last year, guys, and I have absolutely fallen in love with it. It's such a handy little kitchen gadget. If you don't have one, guys, it's definitely a nice gadget to include to your kitchen appliances. So I'm going to be grilling mine on that. But of course, guys, you can do this in the pan, or if you're uncomfortable with that, you can always bake these in the oven. Either way works, guys, however you feel you would like to do your breasts. But for those of you who are following along with my recipe, I'm using the Power XL grill. If you have one, let's follow along. Alright everybody, so now that the Power XL grill is heated, we're going to go ahead and cook up these chicken breasts. And you guys can follow along on this step if you'd like. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just going to insert some clips in here as the breasts are cooking to show you how everything was cooking along and how everything turned out. This is one of my most favorite kitchen products right now. Okay, now that the chicken breast is being cooked, we're going to go ahead and chop up some veggies. I'm going to be using cucumbers, green peppers, and tomatoes. And the nice thing about chicken salad, guys, is that you can put so many different type of veggies in here to really kick up the flavoring. So go ahead and include your favorite veggies that your family likes. So as you can see, guys, I'm going to start off with getting this cucumber peeled. I do not eat the skin of the cucumber, guys. Family does not care for it, so I always peel it off and then I chop it up. Alright, now it's time to get this green pepper chopped up, guys. My family doesn't like big chunks of green pepper in the salad, so I do dice it down quite a bit. Alright, so now that those are done, we're going to go ahead and get this cucumber chopped up. And I do leave these in like medium-sized chunks as well, guys. We don't have them too big. Alright, so now here's time for the favorite part, guys. I love me some tomatoes, so I do like to put quite a bit in my salad. And I like all kinds of sizes of tomatoes, guys. So I'm just going to chop these up how I feel, and we're going to just add those into the salad bowl. Alrighty, so now that everything's all chopped up, I'm going to go ahead and dump these into the salad bowl. That was the last of my vegetables, guys, and I will be including some egg on the side for my husband's salad because he likes egg in his salad and I do not. But here's a look at how everything looks right now. And now that these chicken breasts are done, we're going to go ahead and get those cut up. Alright guys, I do want to just take a moment to show y'all how tender and juicy this breast is. The Power XL definitely gets the job done, guys. Alright guys, so once I finish cutting this chicken breast up, this salad is complete. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of how my salad turned out. I want to also thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.